Ọjọ́ bá fẹ́ títí ọjọ́ àgbè o, ọ̀nà bá jìnnà jìnnà àdópin o. Àti sáré àdópin aré, àbàtì jìyà àdópin ìyà o. Àti súnsún àti kàn ògiri, ó bá ti kẹ́yìn ọ̀dọ̀ tẹ̀yìn mọ́ o mẹ́rin.
Ilé òyìnbó nàbà rẹ̀ tó mi mọ́lé. Ayé òyìnbó ló padà bí márùn-ún o. Ayé náà la ó wà, títà fi ṣẹ́gun lójú àwọn ọlọ́tẹ̀. Ẹ̀kún ọ̀pọ̀jọ́ òkùnkùn wá dì mọ́lẹ̀ báwa ọmọ Yorùbá. Ọjọ́ ayọ̀ sún mọ́lé o.
Ó di láéláé kan bá, ó mà dé láéláé kan bá. Yorùbá onídọ̀bálẹ̀ fẹ́nìkan, ó di jẹ ìbọn lọ́tẹ̀ ìmọ̀.
Ẹ̀dìdé bí ológun.
Ẹ má dàjà sílẹ̀ o, ìrántí àtọmọdọ́mọ. Kò ní sún wa, kò ní rẹ̀ wá, tá ó fi ṣẹ́gun. Ẹni tó dé ó sàn ju ẹni tí rẹ̀ ń bọ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni
Ó ní ní dúró. Fẹ́dúró pín, fẹ́dúró pín, fẹ́dúró pín, pín, pín. Àgbàgbé onígbọ̀n.
ẹ pín ká lè tètè bẹ̀rẹ̀. Ọjọ́ ayọ̀ sún mọ́lé o. Adéjọkẹ́ Adédàpọ̀ màmá mi pàtàkì. Samsudeen Ọládìpọ̀ mo máa kí yín kẹ́ ẹ máa kábọ̀. Bí a bá ṣaláì ní ká tó wá ní a ó mọ yìí bàtà ojoojúmọ́ jẹun ata. Ó ní bá fún Yorùbá ní iṣẹ́ ọmọ Odùduwà bàbá àti òkè gàgàràgà ní ṣe légbè lẹ́yìn àṣùtọ́. Ọ̀yọ́, Ìbàdàn, Oǹdó, Ìjẹ̀ṣà, Ulé, Ifẹ̀ o. Alóore Odùduwà lọ pẹ́. Àkúrẹ́, Ọ̀wọ̀, Ìkàrẹ́, Òwẹ̀yìn, Èkìtì, Ẹgbóhùn, Ifẹ̀ o. Gbọ́ ohùn Alóore Odùduwà lọ pẹ́. Ìbàràpá, Ilé, Ẹ̀gbádò, ẹ̀yìn Ẹ̀gbá ọmọ lè ṣàbẹ̀ ọ́. Odùduwà lọ pẹ́. Ẹ̀yin Ìjẹ̀bú ọmọ Àlárẹ̀ o, ẹ̀yin ẹ̀. Ẹ bá wa pín àti fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀.
Odùduwà ló ń pè ó, ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá. Ọjọ́ ayọ̀ sún mọ́lé o.
Ẹ já lọ kọ́ anthem wa straight. Ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́ o. Ìwọ ni ìmọ́lẹ̀ gbogbo adúláwọ̀ pátápátá. Mo kí yín, mo kí ọmọdé, mo kí àgbà, mo kí ọkùnrin, mo kí obìnrin, mo kí onílé, mo kí àlejò, mo kí ẹ̀yin ojúlówó ọmọ Yorùbá níbi gbogbo tí ẹ ti ń gbọ́ mi. Ọmọlúkà yín rèé. Ẹ wá pín ètò ilé ní. A fẹ́ bára wa sọ ọ̀rọ̀. a fẹ́ bára wa ṣe àṣàrò ọ̀rọ̀. Ǹjẹ́ ibi tí a bọ́rọ̀ dé lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ yìí, ṣé ìwọ wà lára àwọn tó ṣe iyèméjì? Orí ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì mi ó ní àwọn oníyèméjì wọn yóò gúnlẹ̀ sébùté òfo, ọ̀tá kò lè wọ́kọ̀nà wọn yóò gúnlẹ̀ sébùté òfo. Oníyèméjì èbúté òfo ló máa gúnlẹ̀ sí. Ṣé ìwọ ò sí lára àwọn oníyèméjì? Ṣé ìwọ ò sí lára àwọn tó ń sọ pé Yorùbá Nation yẹn ò lè bọ́ sí, jẹ́ kí n sáré lọ bá wọn ṣòṣèlú díẹ̀? Ṣé ìwọ ò sí lára àwọn tó ń sọ pé a daydreamer, pé ẹ̀ẹ̀kan lálàá ni kí ló ń jẹ́ pé Yorùbá Nation? Ẹnìkan mẹ́sẹ̀jì mi lénìí, ó lọ́mọ Lúkà, ó ní gbogbo gift tó ní, gbogbo ẹ̀bùn tó ní, ó ló lọ fi ń waste time ẹ lórí Yorùbá Nation. Ó ní Yorùbá Nation, ó ní kò yẹ, ó ní àti ripe tó fún Yorùbá Nation. To your surprise, ọmọ Yorùbá ló message mi bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ pín o. Ó ní àti ripe, that was the language tó lò nínú message o. Ó ní àti ripe tó láti gba Yorùbá Nation. There are many reasons tí mo fi ń sọ fún yín wípé àti tó Yorùbá Nation gbà. Àtó Yorùbá Nation gbà. Àtó gbà. Àtúntí due gan. Wọ́n sọ pé ẹ mọ̀, overdue for an independence. Yorùbá láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ wá orílẹ̀-èdè kan ni wá. Ṣùgbọ́n kankan tí mo wá suspect, nǹkan méjì òun ni mo ṣàkíyèsí tó mú kí ìfàsẹ́yìn bá ọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá Nation lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́, tó mú kí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ń tàdí sẹ́yìn tí wọ́n fi ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé kò kàn mí, kò kàn mí, láì dẹ̀mọ̀ yìí pé kò sí ẹni tí ò ní kàn, mákàmákàn lóye, akàn onílé àkànlejò. Nǹkan méjì ni. Àkọ́kọ́, à ń bẹ̀rù ikú, kò sẹ́ni tó fẹ́ kú. Ẹ dẹ̀ ti gbàgbé wípé tó o bá sọ pé o fẹ́ kú, ikú lápá ẹ́. Bó o bá dẹ̀ sọ pé o fẹ́ kú, ikú náà lápá ẹ́. Kí ló dé tó kúkú sóòótọ́? Kò kúkú kú sórí òótọ́. Kí ló dé tó kúkú jà fún ìran ẹ? Kò kúkú kú sórí, kò kú fún ìran ẹ. Ukraine, ara USSR náà wà. Wọ́n takú, wọ́n yarí, wọ́n jẹ́ kí USSR mọ̀, the Soviet Union. Wọ́n jẹ́ ká understand pé we want to be independent. Wọ́n proof well everywhere. Àtọmọ kékeré wọn, àti àgbà wọn, àtọkùnrin wọn, àtobìnrin wọn, wọ́n dúró lórí òtítọ́. Wọ́n dẹ̀ proof ẹ̀ débi wípé wọ́n gba independent yẹn tipátipá. Ẹni kú nínú wọn kú, ẹni kú kú. Lẹ́ni tán bá ń sọ àwọn orílẹ̀-èdè tó ní epo jù, tán bá sọ àwọn orílẹ̀-èdè tó iṣẹ́ dókítà tó pọ̀ dáadáa jantirẹrẹ lọ́dọ̀ wọn jù, Ukraine ni. As a matter of fact, a lot of people from Nigeria will apply to Ukraine to study medicine in Ukraine. Some of it are free. Gbogbo ilé táwa ní nílẹ̀ Yorùbá, kí là ń lò fún, kí àǹfààní wo ló ń ṣe fún ẹ, àǹfààní wo ló ń ṣe fún mi? Béèrè lọ́wọ́ ara ẹ. Àkọ́kọ́, ẹ̀ ń bẹ̀rù ikú. Ta ni ò ní kú? Àwọn tó wà ńbẹ̀ lánàá dà, wọn ò ti kú, wọn ò ti lọ ní. Àwọn dà. My sister, my brother, make we not deceive ourselves now. Everybody, even small pikin, know say this Nigeria no give. You know they better again. No magic wey una wan do. There is no lesson for this. The thing wey don die, which may say when you wan give that person, where that person go wake. If the person sick, if you give her medicine, there is hope say the person go wake. But the person wey don die, which medicine you want to give that person, where that person go wake? Make una no let us deceive ourselves. Nigeria is dead. Everybody knows that Nigeria don't die. Why would they deceive ourselves? Why would they lie? Lie everywhere. And the thing where they happen is everybody they scare. Everybody they fear. Say make you no con die. If you they fear, say make you no die. All these people where you they fear, they go kill you one day. Now they go kill you. They kidnap you where they happen. They go kidnap you. Tell you say make you go bring money. They go kidnap your sister. Fuck your fucking Toto. Fuck am. Kill am at the end of the fuck. They go kill am. Some they go come out the eyes. Some they go kidnap papa. They go kidnap mama. For the presence of papa, they go they fuck his wife for his presence. Say that that's why you they like for this country. You now see the talk say it go better, it go better. Since the day when they born you, when they talk say it go better. When which better it come better now? When your papa still there for Shango, your papa still they do boys, they do younger, he still get power where they take the waka go everywhere. Your papa they talk say it go better, it not better for it not better. Now he take born you. It's wrong to do everything with your mama. Money for Lapo, money for Gurumi. He collect everything, take sponsor, you go school. You go school, you reach that school. You school where you supposed to stay for 4 years. You spend 8 years because of strike. And you can't finish now. Your mama see they find food for you and your wife. And yet you they talk say it go better. When which time it go come better? For your time now, you know better. You they talk say go better. For your incoming children, you still they talk say go better. Your children they come, they're there for nursery school now. They're there for primary school. They're there for secondary school. Very soon they will get to higher institution again. For where you want to see the money, you still they shout to go better. That's all we're gonna do. Say that's all you're gonna be. Ejekaru arujile. Emberu iku. You dey fear say make dem no kill you. Na death go kill you. Wetin dey kill person wey no be death? Na death now. Na death. I just dey beg una. See wetin dey happen for this country. If there is no, you cannot force the three people together. And let me tell you that Nigeria is full of different nations. Nigeria is full of different nations. Yoruba is a nation. The Hausas and the Fulani, they are nations on their own. Even let me say the Hausas, they are a nation on their own before the arrival of the Fulanis. Even the Igbos, they are nation on their own. The Ijaws, they are nation on their own. The Benin, they are nation on their own. And some others like that. The Bokos, the Gwaris, the Efik, all those people, they are nations on their own. Nigeria is full of different nations. But the three major nations inside Nigeria is Yoruba, Igbo, and the Hausas. If we don't try on our best, say make Nigeria come together. Since the day when they do independent, when they force them together, waiting no better. Why would I not allow Nigeria to separate? Make Igbo do their own, make Yoruba do their own, make Hausa do their own. So if later the country say they no fit do it, better, they can sit down and renegotiate and come together. After all, it happened for Germany. When Germany separated, West Germany, they are different. And East Germany, they different. Everybody, they do their own. But later, they decided to join together. And today, they are together with agreement. Why we don't do that one? To even see if things go better. If we do, if we do better, then we go know, say we go sit down together again and renegotiate. Let us renegotiate. They refuse. Let us go on our own. They refuse. Do restructure. They refuse. Amend the constitution to favor all the regions. They refuse. So what now? So you go they do is yet you they charge one Nigeria. You they charge 2023. 2023. Make una think if you like, make you hear. If you like, make you not hear. Some of you, since the day you they follow politicians, they go campaign. That politician, after you go campaign, you collect 2,000 naira for campaign. The politician know they know you again. He go spend 4 years, he no go give you 5,000 naira. And yet, after 4 years, they go call you again, say, make you come do politics. You go join them, follow them, go campaign. At the end of the day, they go buy you rice, buy you buns, buy you coke. You drink am. They will give you 2,000, 3,000, 5,000. After that, they will leave you again for another 4 years. Another 4 years, don't they come now? Since last election, they remember you, they call your house. Your pikin wey no get job, a graduate wey dey for your house wey no get job, they give am work. That politician wey dey run follow, we dey tell you say make you support, make everybody dey on their own, make you campaign, tell everybody say Yoruba won't stay on their own, Igbo want to stay on their own. Igbo has been on this for long. We dey tell una, make una dey shout, make una dey tell everybody. If you sabi write for online, come online and write it there. Say it better make everybody spread, make everybody split, make Nigeria split, make Igbo go on their own, make Yoruba go on their own, and the North make them go on their own. Write am there, make everybody see. If you reach church, tell them for church, say the best thing is for Nigeria to split. If you reach where you dey drink beer, tell them for that place. Anywhere where you go, let them understand that the best solution for Nigeria today now he be say make Nigeria divide, make Igbo go on their own, make Yoruba go on their own, make Hausa go on their own, and if possible, if middle belt or whatever, if they want to go on their own, let them go. For people, for peace to reign. But all the people where they talk, they don't go allow you now make una go, because you know what happen. All the South. Now be their ikokobe. You know what it be ikokobe? Their pot of porridge, their soup, their bank, their treasure land. Everything where they take, they develop the north. Now for the south, they take up. The oil, now for south. All the registered company in Nigeria, 80% of it were registered in Yoruba land. And yet we dey suffer. See Port Harcourt. See Bayelsa. Bayelsa don't get road. They don't get water to drink. Federal government cannot do anything for them. And yet they are suffering. Oil don't spoil all the water way there for that place. Federal government no see anything do. And yet they shout one Nigeria. See Yoruba land where they carry money, all the seaport, all the airport, everything, Federal Inland Revenue Service, all the money that they gather now for Yoruba land, that they gather them. No road in Yoruba land. All road where they for Yoruba land, no one good. All the federal road, federal no waiting concern them. Now we don't get lights. They get light for their own area. The money for oil, they don't do anything for your area, for the south, for here. They do pipeline from Niger Delta. From south, they want to and go Niger Republic. And yet you sit down there, you they shout one Nigeria. You they shout 2023. Are they pity you now? You see the thing where they for grand now. Now everybody go chop from inside. You go chop, me and go chop. Now everybody go chop now. They suffer where all those people they plan where they won't bring come for south, from south, southeast, and southwest. Now every one of us go touch him. This one don't be my matter alone. Now everybody matter. If you like, make you think. And if you are a young person like me, I mean a youth, make una go tell una papa and una mama. Say, see what one guy talk. Say the best solution for Nigeria and MB say make Nigeria split, make everybody stay on their own. And after 5 or 10 years, if they discover say the thing no get better, they can sit down together and renegotiate again. That one no bad now. Everything we una get for south, now they take, they do themselves, they enjoy. Go to north. From Kaduna to Kano, you can close your eyes like this and drive. Their road no dey spoil. And all those roads na federal road. Even their local government road, they use money for federal government, they do them for they use federal government money, they do road for all the local government in the north. If they want collect money, their own money, where the local government, where they collect, it pass the one where your own local government go collect for here. Waiting that they generate for the federal government. Where you people for the south where not generate times 3 or times 4 of it. Maybe we not think now. Look at Apapa for Lagos, Sangwater, the most industrialized local government in the whole federation. Go to Sangwater. Sebi Igbo, sebi na dey for Sangwater. Yoruba sebi airport in Sangwater. Sebi you know road na Sangwater. Edibo say the most industrialized local government in the whole Nigeria. See how that place be. See Apapa, the place where they generate the most highest revenue in the whole country. See Apapa. The generated revenue from Apapa plenty past any other state in Nigeria. See Apapa no get road, no federal road, no state road. Everywhere for Apapa na yeye. And yet you dey shout one Nigeria, one Nigeria. I just bring this one, can't tell you now, because some people tell me this morning, say they know they hear Yoruba, they know they hear what they talk. That is why I decided today, I will come. But let me assure you now, either you be police, or you be soldier, or you be DSS, or you be civil defense, or you be anybody. No amount of intimidation, or humiliation, or threat will stop us from pursuing this Yoruba nation. Simply because Yoruba is a nation before Nigeria. With the rules. Yes. Thank you, Bisiri, you are mad. So if everybody there on their own, if Fulani want enter your territory, they go take visa enter. If they want enter Yoruba land, they go take visa enter. And they go follow our rules. If we tell them, say, no picky alalu, the people where they carry keke, where they pick onion, they go tell you, say that they pick onion. Now if you walk, they their hand. So, I just decided to tell you this because a lot of people, they call me, that they tell me, say, we know they hear what you they talk. And to speak English in our hala, I don't hear English. I don't hear Oyibo. That is why I decided to say Yoruba, to speak Yoruba and Borok in the way that I be the pidgin. Now they speak now. And pidgin is a simple Oyibo way person feel use. That is part of the problem where Nigeria they get. America get their own English. America get independent from British. British get English. The English where British they use now that they carry go every country where they colonize. They carry that same English go America. America reject and they create their own English. Then they use their own English till today now. And why in Nigeria don't we use their own English? This pidgin where we sabi speak where? Why can't we use that English? But they will never. All your culture, everything you get, they don't forget it. They don't cancel everything. And every day now die, death. Small pikin go die. Big man go die. Everybody they die. Because of insecurity for this country. Everybody they suffer. Now only some people they enjoy. Only few people. Now Sabio, I go tell you now the thing where I know. So, this is just an opportunity for every one of you where they tell me, say, I know they hear Yoruba. The one where I hear, I don't talk, I know Sabi Onyibo. Because if I say I won't speak Onyibo now, I feel they shoot gun. So, that the thing where Sabi I can't do now. I know the comedian, the true talk, I can't tell you. See what thing they happen. See how they carry Nnamdi Kanu. If Nigeria no be lawless country. The law for the fact that they went to another country to go and arrest Nnamdi Kanu is wrong, is illegal. For the fact that they went to Benin Republic to arrest Sunday Igboho for holding Igboho up to today is illegal. But Nigeria is a lawless country. They go court now. They tell court to tell the federal government, say make they go pay Sunday Igboho 20 billion naira. They say make it go sit down. Say they no go pay. Say Nigeria, justice there now. No justice in Nigeria. Justice no good. The executive aspect no good. Even the legislators, all the senators and the House of Rep, now all of them na mumu, na puppet, na dog. The thing where they say make they do, if they don't see food to chop, they don't finish. Money where they don't, when they won't give them, give all of them. Now that money be cocoa. For them body, even if their mama they die for house, that one no concern them. Make they give them money for Abuja. If they don't sit down for that their seat, make they give them money. That one na be the cocoa for them. For now 3 aspects be the government. 3 parts na be government where they do government. Now so they be for America. They got the judiciary, they got the legislative, and they got the what do they call them, the executive. Now the executive be president, now them be the olori patapata oga patapata, now them. So the legislative, now that they make laws, now that they make laws for everybody where they go follow. If they see anything where no good, now they talk, say, what we go do for this, what we go do for this. Now that is their own work. Then the judiciary, now that they interpret the law. If anybody offend, or maybe the rules, I go put them. So now then go do the judgment. Now they go carry the person. If they carry and go court, now they go tell the person if the person do better thing or not. But today, person where they see like this, where put knife for person neck, where they kill person. If you kill and finish, if they carry and go court, the person where kill, if he get money, he go tell the judiciary, say money, they take money, let me go. The court go talk, say, make they bring evidence, say, no be him kill him. Even if they see and say he kill him, they go say, David talk say, in the verse, that period of time, say, if anybody the verse, he can do anything. So therefore, make them live and make it they go. Or make them tell, say, make them go check him brain for arrow. As it goes to arrow, they go tell, say, his brain no correct. So make them live and make it they go. Wait, is that country a country? Is there justice in that country of such? If you don't go judiciary, no justice for you. Go to legislation, nothing good. They don't know anything. Not to talk of the executive, where they even know right hand from left. I just tell you now, for those of you who don't hear Yoruba well, that is why I come today to tell you. They say things they happen for this Nigeria, and the only solution be say make everybody go on their own. Make Igbo stay, make Yoruba stay, make the North stay. If they like, make they call their own Hausa Fulani Republic. Now they sabi. Yoruba get their own. We be Oduduwa Republic. Biafra Republic, they tipe. So now that is what I'm just telling you now. With the current situation of this country, the only solution be say make everybody, make we go try am. If we try, if it don't work, we go sit down together and renegotiate. But for now, everybody must split. Everybody must go. This time around, one time they say Ghana must go. This time, Yoruba must go. Igbo must go. Yoruba must go. Now, here we won't do now. If you like, support. If you like, make you no support. But when they talk, we say, the thing where they do my nose, gangaranga, you go do your own nose, gangaranga. If they never kidnap your pikin, remember, say if you kidnap person way close to you, it may be your neighbor, it may be your cousin, it may be anybody that are close to you. So if you like, make you say the truth. If you like, you don't say the truth. If not because of 2,000, 5,000 where they give you, you don't want to say the truth. Now you sabi. If you don't chop with that 5,000, if you go Ifeoma, where they chop now? If you go Ifeoma, say you want chop with 1,800, you don't go belly food. If you buy food for 1,800, you know the belly food. If you want chop, make you belly food, you go buy 3,000, 4,000 naira food. That is the fact. So they can't give you 2,000, 3,000, 5,000. You go on the dance. The thing where you go chop finish, where you go suffer, your pikin go suffer, your wife go suffer, your husband go suffer for the next 4 years. Where they don't go see you, they don't go know you. Now you sabi. If you like, make you hear. If you like, not hear. Now you sabi you. I don't talk my own. Omaluka be my name. Anybody wey wan call, make it call. I no force anybody say make it call. But the thing where una people they talk, some people wey say they no hear Yoruba, and me, I no hear Oyinbo. Now the thing where I get in, now here they speak. Now the one where I hear, now here they speak. So if I don't speak in this one, I go speak my language, Yoruba, the best language in the whole world, the language that get respect. Oyinbo language, you don't get respect. Now Oyinbo, they come, the father of their wife, they call their name. Say, John. Now John, boy, wife, you go call him John. But we Yoruba, we go respect here. Say you be papa for our wife, we don't accept saying our papa too. So we go call him daddy. But Oyinbo no they call. Oyinbo go tell you, say this one no be my daddy, my daddy dey house. Now my wife for daddy. So now John be his name. Now Yoruba language be the best for the whole world. So go and learn Yoruba so that you can be listening to me very well. Go learn Yoruba. Ajayi Ima. That question now, I know. You don't even understand me at all. I don't know how I go put them. Why they don't want to stay on their own? If they do, they say me something there for their place now. Why they don't want to stay on their own? I don't know. Make it Yoruba day on their own. Make Hausa day on their own. Make it day for their own. I don't know reason. Anybody wey wan call, make I put the number there. 070 4609 2484. Now WhatsApp una go call and for today, anybody wey wan call, make it please make it speak it broken for people wey no sabi. Abeg. So today program na for people wey no sabi Yoruba. They say they no hear Yoruba. So and I don't speak English now. Nigeria English. Let's put it that way. You know there is American English, British English, Indian English, South African English, and some, you know, but the one where they speak now na Nigeria English. No be pidgin. No make una know they call am broken. I be pidgin again. Na Nigeria English. Or West Africa English. Let's put it that way. West Africa English. That's all. Oh yeah. Anybody wey wan call 070 4609 2484. 070 4609 2484. Epi. Make una call now. Una say una wan hear my voice today for English. And I know sabi Oyinbo. I don't tell you the one where I sabi. If anybody no call, we go call it a day. Let's call it a day. Let's call it a day. I am coming for a special program by tomorrow. Lágbára Ọlọ́run. Ní agbára Ọlọ́run. Lágbára ńlá Ọlọ́run. Láṣẹ ńlá Ọlọ́run. Lágbára Ọlọ́run. Ọlá mo mú program ńlá kan bọ̀. Ẹ má worry, ẹ má ríran wò. The article has been reading and it has been sent to me. Má kà, má fi sétí gbọ́ yín. Lágbára Ọlọ́run. Make una the right hand. No amount of humiliation, no amount of threat, no amount of what I go put them again. Challenges will stop us from achieving Yoruba Nation. We will achieve Oduduwa Republic. We will achieve it. Nothing will stop us. Oduduwa Republic, not be Yoruba Nation. Oduduwa Republic, Biafra Republic, Republic of Biafra, Republic of Oduduwa. That is what they want. So this one now today, for today, now here we go reach. I know sabi Oyinbo, make I no go bite myself. Thank you for today. I appreciate you. Even though if I refuse to call, maybe the Oyinbo way I speak way maybe no correct. And now una call am broken. So why una go say the Oyinbo no correct? Una refuse to call. Even though if una one person make a call. You see everything where they happen for Niger. Nobody fit say the thing where they happen, that bad thing, killing everywhere. But we thank God for everything. So bye. Make we meet tomorrow. But tomorrow if they come, nothing say I go come speak Oyinbo now. Ọmọ Yorùbá ni mi o. Ọmọ Yorùbá ni mo jẹ́. Ọmọ Yorùbá ni mo jẹ́ láti ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀mpẹ̀m wá. Mo dẹ̀ máa débé, mo dẹ̀ máa sọ Yorùbá ní ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀mpẹ̀m. So Yorùbá ni mo ti ń sọ láti ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀mpẹ̀m wá. Mo dẹ̀ máa sọ Yorùbá ní every time tí mo bá máa sọ Yorùbá. So bó ṣe wà nìyẹn. Lónìí ẹ̀yin tí ẹ sọ pé ẹ ò gbọ́ Yorùbá ni mo ṣe sọ broken fún gbogbo yín pátápátá. Nigeria West Africa English na onímọ̀ ṣe sọ gbogbo ẹ̀ fún yín. But láti ọ̀la lọ́mà tó máa padà sórí Yorùbá tí mò ń sọ. Yorùbá pure typical Yorùbá tí mò ń sọ, Yorùbá àkókò mi. Bí mo dẹ̀ ṣe ń sọ Yorùbá àkókò bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ní gbogbo àwọn tó wà nílẹ̀ Yorùbá ni wọ́n ń gbọ́ gbogbo tí mo dẹ̀ sọ pátápátá. Àwọn tó wà ní Èkó, àwọn Ẹ̀gbá, àwọn Àwórì, àwọn Ìjẹ̀bú, àwọn Ọ̀yọ́, àwọn Ìgbòmìnà, àwọn Òkun, àwọn Àkúrẹ́, àwọn Ìkálẹ̀, àwọn Ìlàjẹ, àwọn Ọ̀wọ̀, gbogbo wọn pátá ni wọ́n ń gbọ́ tí mò ń sọ pẹ̀lú Yorùbá àkókò mi tí mò ń sọ. Ṣùgbọ́n Yorùbá kan ṣoṣo ni gbogbo wa ń sọ. Bless you all. Much ó dọ̀la ká tó pàdé. Victor Ọmọlúkà lórúkọ tí mò ń jẹ́. Ẹ ṣé Ọmọlúkà lórúkọ mi. Ẹ ṣé o, ẹ jẹ́ ká pàdé lọ́la láyọ̀ àti àlàáfíà. Ẹ máa rí topic tí mò ń mú bọ̀ lọ́la lógo Ọlọ́run láṣẹ Ọlọ́run. Kudos. Ojú òní ti gbogbo wa. Yoruba Nation, no going back. Ojúlówó ọmọ Yorùbá ni mí. Ẹ pàdé mi lọ́la. Ẹ ṣé.